All right, welcome to Performance Unlimited. This happens to be one of our big blocks, 502s. Again, we build nothing but custom crate engines in-house. Everything done here. You can watch us live, build your engine. Again, we know our competitors are watching us, and why shouldn't they? They know we're good. This happens to be a customer. This is his third engine from us. This is one of two big blocks we're gonna run right now. This happens to be the first one. I'd like to fire this up and give you a little run demonstration. This happens to be a 502 custom build block, big block, excuse me. Tell me you don't hear that rapping. That's a beautiful big block 502. Remember, Performance Unlimited. Anything we can help you with? 1-800-267-3940. You want it, we build it. Thank you.